All right, another chapter down. Here begins chapter 5. Our first lesson is going to be on ratios. What is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two quantities by division. If you remember from last year, a ratio can be written in 3 ways. So the first example has 3, the word 2 to 9. The second one can be written with a colon. Those are the 2 dots, so 3 to 9. Or you can do it as a fraction. So that little slash is a fraction, or you can write a horizontal slash 2. The most common way is a fraction that you'll see it as, and that's how we will be writing most of them. So writing ratios is pretty simple. There's just 3 steps, or technically 2. So the most common way to write them is as a fraction. So when it's giving you into a sentence, whatever is listed first in the comparison goes first. So that will be our numerator in our fraction. Whatever's listed second will go second, which will be the denominator in our fraction. And then you always need to simplify using our greatest common factor. So simplifying is not going away anytime soon. Let's take a look at some examples. So the first one, express the ratio of 12 baskets in 18 attempts. So we have 12 baskets, 18 attempts. So remember our steps. We're going to write it as a fraction. Whatever is listed first will go first. So 12 baskets is listed first. So that will be our numerator. Then it was out of 18 attempts. That's our denominator. Okay? We cannot keep our fraction like that because if you look at it, they're both even. So you need to find their factors. Okay, by looking at this, you know you can divide them by 2, but is there a bigger number that goes into both of them? And you should say yes, you can divide them by 6. If you divide by 2, you'll just have to keep dividing. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. So this means that for every 3 shots attempted, 2 were made. That is what that is trying to say. Instead of saying 12 baskets, 18 attempts, you simplify it down. It's for every 3 shots, they made 2. The second one, 12 boys to 16 girls. Okay, it's boys to girls. Boys is listed first, girls is listed second. So, again, write it as a fraction, 12, so 12 boys to 16 girls. Again, we cannot leave our fraction like that because they are both even, so they can be simplified. I'm going to divide them by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So for every 4 girls, there is 3 boys. That is what that is telling us to do. So it's pretty simple. Hopefully you remember from last year. We just got done with our fraction unit and simplifying, so hopefully this will be easy breezy. We'll be doing more examples in class tomorrow.